Welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, please consider subscribing to the channel so you can see more videos like these. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the demonstration on my hair and on my 6-year-old Shauma's hair. And I'm also going to be telling you what I think about the product. I'm just going to do it all in one video to get it on out the way. No need to prolong it. We're going to just get it done. Y'all cool with that? All right. I did not apply a leave-in conditioner to my hair prior to applying this gel because it's natural-like and it's like a custard. So whenever I'm using a gel like that, I want to see how moisturizing it is, or see how much hold I get, or see if it's drying and all those kind of things. So I tested that way first. Now, as far as the application of the gel, it went on fairly nice. It was okay. It wasn't the best, not the best slippage like my Uncle Funky's daughter's Curly Magic. And also, I did not find that it was as easy to detangle my hair with this custard as well like I can with my Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic, or similar custards. Now, that being said, I know it's not a detangling, you don't detangle your hair with a styling product, but I'm just used to being able to. Okay, this is how much of the custard I use. I use a lot, you guys, to do one head. It took way too much gel to do one head. I probably will only get, if I had to do just my hair with this, I probably will only get 2 applications with a little bit left over, if anything. So this is the next day hair. I'm just taking it down, shaking it out here, seeing what I'm working with, and this is what it's looking like. Okay, so we're going to go on to Shauma's hair. This is me applying the custard to her hair with a gel. And her hair initially looked good, but you will see as the days go by that her hair got bigger and her curl definition was not there. And this is how much I use for her hair and my hair together. Here is her hair. This is the end of the day. Her hair dry here. And the feel of the hair was good. It wasn't dry feeling. And this is Shauma being her little silly self.
Guys, what do you think in the comments down below? Is it a real book or a fake book? Let me know in the comments.
Fiction or non-fiction? So this is just footage from my vlog channel. Since I didn't take any pictures, I have some video footage for you guys to see the hair. Shauma, you can see her hair, her curls. They're still visible, but her hair started to get more frizzier. And I had to end up putting up in a ponytail. I actually had to put up in a ponytail on the second day. My hair, my curls are, they're visible, but it's frizzy looking. So overall, the gel, it smelled great. It was not too strong, but I would not purchase the product again because I just have to use too much for one, and then the curls that I get with it, they just don't last long enough for me. And again, the hold was good. It was a good hold. It wasn't like it didn't hold the hair. It did hold the hair, but it's just an okay product. It's not nothing that I would run to the stores and buy. That's that. And that's, again, our opinion. That's how the product performed on our hair. It may perform differently on your hair, so you should try it to see what results you get. Thank you for watching this video. And Lord say the same. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you like it. And comment down below. See you next time. Peace.